Joe, that's a heck of a gate. Where'd you get hardware like this?
Well, actually, this is a piece of hardware I made because I couldn't find gate tensioning hardware that would hold up a gate this size. As you know, most wooden gates have a tendency to sag over time, and when this large, you know, it only took a month or two till it was so far out of level that the latches weren't working.
I got you.
So what I did is I made this one, which I thought would be much stronger than anything you could buy. It's just a piece of electrical conduit that I laid down on a 2x4 and I hammered the end flat, drilled a couple holes for screws, and painted it black. And I've screwed that end to the corner of the gate, and if you can give me a hand, just
okay, sure.
press down on that lever to raise it until it's
tell me when.
level. Hang on, let me put in a couple of screws on this end.
Okay.
These are just galvanized 1 5/8" screws. Let me see, line it up here. All right about there.
All right.
All right, one should hold it for now. Let's see, let it go.
Okay.
Yeah, that's great. You see, it's a little high, but that's fine because it'll sag a little over time and be perfect. Do me a favor, just close and see if the gate hardware latches.
Works perfect.
There you go, look at that.